Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to rebuild a motorbike. Alright, I've started the video part of it quite late. So this is the bike, as you can see. It's a purple Yamaha Mt-09. It looks like black, but it's actually purple. So already I can see it's got an aftermarket headlight, heated grips, Oxford heated grips. Bike runs, turns over, everything's working. I've currently got an ABS light it's always been on. I'll just have to clear it later on. Got 18,000 kilometers on the clock, and except for the rear damage it had, nothing else is actually crapped out. So I've already taken the wheel off. This was the damage on the actual wheel, and I have ordered everything that I need to rebuild this bike. Let's go through the stuff that came off the bike. So this is the left hand side rear fender, which is good. This was a tail light, which completely got destroyed. No good. And the turn signal, the lens cover got broken, so that goes in the bin. This was the rear tail tidy, which was actually bent out of shape. We have managed to get it pretty straight so far, but we'll see how's the fitment's gonna be. If not, then I'll just have to buy a new one. And what else are the so we have the bar and mirrors. The right hand side turn signal is good, so I'm gonna stick to the stock stuff, just because I want to get it recomplied. So and this is just the mounting bracket for everything else, and nuts and bolts that I've taken out from the bike so far. And this is the right hand side, I think the right hand side, left hand side, or left hand side, that's the right hand side, fender cover. So there was no damage, absolute zero damage to any of this stuff. So if I show you the damage on the actual bike, which was listed for frame damage, it was this. See this was bent out of shape. This is why they wrote it off. I don't know how stupid someone can be to do that, but other than that, like on the frame, swing arm, subframe, everything's in its intact, and nothing seemed to be missing or broken. So so everything else is there. Okay, all right, so this is all the stuff that we need to fix this bike, which I have ordered from, I think, somewhere in Europe, Denmark or Netherlands, I can't remember which. The parts actually came from bonestraparts.com. That's where I got all the space for everything, and then I'll put a link in the description for their website, so you can just go check it out. And I got an original Yamaha tail light, a used left hand side turn signal, 2 new parts. I think there was one more part that I got, which is the actual wheel. Let's take a look at the wheel. It's a used one, because a new one was quoted to me by Yamaha. It was over 1,000 New Zealand dollars. Alright, so basically all I needed was those 3 parts to get the bike back on the road. So I will transfer the brake disc and the other parts from that wheel into this one, and it's the same part number. We checked the part numbers and got the wheel. So this is off an Mt-09 as far as I know, and also I've got the tire there. So we'll just put this on there and then see what we can do. So we're just gonna take the desk out now. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, and then this 3 star hex nuts on there. So we'll take that out for the ABS, and then we'll take that off, and then transfer into that one. I probably won't record because it's pretty hard to do it with one hand. So I'll show you after I've done it. Okay, so we've got done halfway through the wheel. Lucian is just cleaning just the subframe, the rear subframe. Just a lot of dirt and shit in there, so it's just cleaning it off. And we are just about ready to put the rear tire back on and just get it done with it. Okay, so Lucian's gonna pump the tire. We got the tire back on the rim. Just gonna pump it up, so everything looks new and shiny. So you just need to put this back on. All right, so sorry couldn't record everything because it's hard to do recording and putting everything together. So with Lucian's help, we managed to get the chain on the sprocket, the wheel on the bike, so it's no longer on the stand. It's just on its free weight. The only thing we didn't do was tighten any of the nuts, nothing like that. Tomorrow is the day that I'm gonna put everything that's here back on the bike. So, but you can see it started to look like a bike again. So yeah, happy ass with the progress. I'll try and catch you guys tomorrow, so stay tuned and leave us a like. So see you tomorrow. Peace.